Hi friends, welcome to Starlight Electronics. This project is a flame controlled DC motor. In this project, this is a power supply section, this is a sound sensor, motor relay driver IC and relays. DC motor. Start this project. First clamp, motor speed is high. Second clamp, motor speed is slow. Third plate, motor speed is slow. And last clamp, motor speed is stop. Thank you for this video.